What's going on, folks? Will Stewart here with Will Stewart 365, and today we are back with another unboxing and first impressions. Today we are going to be talking about the house of Jean-Paul Gaultier with Scandal Le Parfum. Let's see if this one smashes the box. Welcome back to the channel, folks. Thank you guys very much for all the likes, subscribes, comments, and all that good stuff that you do. Please, though, if you're watching this for the first time, if you're watching the channel for the first time, do hit that subscribe button. It helps us know that you guys are enjoying what you're watching. We do lists, unboxings, first impressions, primarily discovery, and all of that good stuff. Unbiased, just straight off the cuff, no scripts, none of that junk, just straight up impressions of what we think these fragrances smell like. Maybe our impression might help you save some cash by not wasting it and buying things that maybe don't live up to the hype. But today we're going to be unboxing this one here, Scandal from the house of Jean-Paul Gaultier, the Le Parfum. This one is, I have quite a few of the Jean-Paul Gaultier fragrances there, right? We've got the original Le Male, we've got Ultra Male, we've got Le Parfum, we've even got Aviator up there. I don't have a couple of other ones from that line, but to be honest with you, I'm not a huge fan. Le Parfum I like Le Parfum I'm gonna wear. I'm not really a huge fan. Ultra Male is all right too. I'm not a huge fan of the original Le Male, to be honest with you. I bought it because of the hype, but you know, I'm not a huge fan. Like, is it a bad scent? No, but it's super powdery, dude. Like, it is way over the top powdery. This smells literally like, you know, I opened up a, you know, makeup, like a foundation or base or a powder, and just smelt the powder. Like, I mean, it is powdery. If you like that type of a deal, then, you know, hey, all the more power to you. But we're gonna be checking out Scandal today. Scandal is one that's kind of cool, and this has got, do I take off that? I like to leave this so the box is kind of stay in a nice condition. I know I'm a dork like that. It's got a nice red velvety box, which is pretty cool. On the top of the box, you do have Scandal that's written on the top of there. I hold it upside down, boom, Scandal, that you can see there. On the front here, you do have like a little crown, Scandal, Jean-Paul Gaultier, Le Parfum. This is a rechargeable, refillable, so I guess it does have a rechargeable, refillable bottle here. You do have the concentration. This is an Eau de Parfum Intense Pour Homme. So it's not a true like Parfum concentration, but it is 3.4 fluid ounces. We got the big bottle here for that. On the bottom, you do have an authenticity code. I'm guessing your barcode, your batch code, all of that good jazz, as well as some safety information and ingredients as well. On the side here, it shows you like a little picture on how you can refill the bottle here in the full presentation, as well as some other notes there. On the left-hand side, you've got nothing. On the back, but you do have, I guess this is an authentication code, and then some scan to discover the Scandal universe is what it says. And then it tells you where it was made and all that stuff. Barcelona, yada, yada, yada. Let's open this one up and see what we got inside, bottle-wise, presentation-wise, and we'll see what's going on. So you do have like a weird flap here, like it looks like it's gonna be coming out, but we've got a crown, and that cap just came right off of there, folks. So the cap, I'm gonna have to like dump this one upside down now. Let's stick our hand way down in there, try to pull this out. I'm holding it by the atomizer, which I don't want to do. That's kind of weird. Is that supposed to do that? Am I supposed to push that all the way on there? Yeah, so that wasn't popped on there. It's popped on there now, so it ain't coming off. Maybe that's why the cap just comes straight off. It's not magnetic. It does click into place. Yeah, you can hold it by the cap now. So I guess they just didn't pop the collar on there all the way. It's on there now. It just kind of snap fit into that. But anyway, so we got the bottle here. The juice is, can't tell if the inside of the glass is painted. It's gotta be, because I can't really see that juice moving around in there. So I guess the inside of the bottle is painted black, so you do just get that dark black. You do have a little Scandal, but you know, metal plate there that is, you know, glued to the glass bottle here. A pretty thick glass bottle, but you do have this plastic crown top here that has, you know, Jean-Paul Gaultier right there on the very top. I don't know if you can see that. On the sides of the bottle, there's nothing pictured. On the bottom, you do have Jean-Paul Gaultier, Scandal Le Parfum, Eau de Parfum Intense Pour Homme. So 100 mil, 3.4 fluid ounces, made in Spain. So this one's not made in in France. It is made in Spain. But let's take a look. Let's grab a handy dandy test strip. Check out the atomizer. On top of the atomizer, you do have the Jean Paul Gaultier logo. On the inside of the cap as well, you do see the Jean Paul Gaultier. I don't think you guys are going to be able to see that, but it is inscribed on the inside of the cap if you're looking for quality. I guess it's metal. Is it metal? Yeah, it's metal. So this part of the crown is metal. Is that part metal? Yeah, it's metal. So I guess it is a metal cap. I mean, there is some weight to it. So maybe I guess it's not plastic, but let's grab a handy dandy test strip. We're going to see. I like the presentation though. I like this bottle. To be honest, I like this bottle a little bit better than I think I like the Ultramel bottles, to be honest. You know, the man with the package. Let's take a look. The atomizer is not aligned with the front display here. So it takes about one spray to get it pumped and primed. I love it. I love it. Like this, I'll wear this. I don't wear the Le Mans. I'll wear this. It's good. It's strong, sweet. It's citrus and floral, sweet. What does this smell like to me? It's reminding me of something. This is good. Pure intense vibes? No, I don't think so. What does this remind me of? Oh, it's gonna bother me because it's good though, guys. 9 out of 10 on the opening for me. By far my favorite Le Mans. Or not Le Mans, but Jean Paul Gaultier. This blows away, in my opinion, any one of those ones that you see over there. Any of these, from Ultramel, Aviator, regular Le Mans. That's the order by which I like them, by the way. Scandal's better. Sweet, deep, rich, dark, vanilla. Guys, I love it. This one is good. I mean, it's starting to get maybe a little bit powdery, but the powdery, it's not an overwhelming powderiness. This is definitely scandalous. Like this one to me is like this is a compliment. You're gonna get compliments off this one. Like seriously, folks, get this one. What's the batch code we got on here? So this one, the batch code looks like it says the batch code is etched to the bottom. So 31101. Let's take a look at the notes. Let's open up our Parfum app and take a look at the notes here. So Scandal pour le Parfum, 7.5, 2022 release, 7.5. That's it. Come on, guys. So it's got three notes listed, which there's got to be more than 3 notes in there. I can tell you that right now. You got geranium, tonka bean, and sandalwood. There's no way you get that deep sweetness with just geranium, tonka bean, and sandalwood. But if that's true, man, if that's all it's in this, it smells good. Like you don't need a lot of sprays. Like I hit this test strip 4 times and it's banging. Like it's pumping out some scent, man. Deep sweet. Like this one you could probably hit 3 times, like 3 to 5 times, man, and you're gonna be roasting people out. I mean, it's because it's just how sweet it is. Like I could see this one giving certain types of people headaches, right? But not me. Like this is, I hit Herod like 7 times. What's in here? There's more stuff in here. Definitely tonka bean. Definitely sandalwood. The geranium quality smells good as well. Like this is gonna leave a sillage that's gonna be just incredible. Let's see what they said on here sillage wise. 8.3 on durability. The sillage is 8.1. Seasons definitely winter fall for me. Occasions gonna be night out occasion, evening scent, night out, date night, club. You know, when you're gonna cause a scandal. That's when you want to wear scandals, when you cause a scandal. It makes me want to go and get the like the eau de toilette version or the other version, the one that's not, you know, that's like gray rather than black. But it's good. It's good, ladies and gentlemen. I have it. I'm gonna rate it. Scent, I'm gonna say 9 out of 10, boys. Durability, I don't know the durability yet, but I mean I can tell that it's going to be lasting a long time. The sillage, this is gonna project like a mofo. This is gonna leave a trail. Bottle, I think is good. Bottle design 9. Value for money, I don't remember what I paid for it, but maybe like $100. That's usually what they are. I think it's good value for money. I could tell this is gonna last a while. So let's give that an 8 on durability. Rate it. We've rated it. Let's bring that score up. I can't believe the community is only rated this at 7.5 stars, man. The box is cool. The bottle is cool. The scent is good. Like it's even kind of moving into almost like a booziness now. I just want to smell it. I just want to keep smelling it. That's what I want to keep smelling it. I like it. I like it. Do you like it? Let me know if you own it. guys, that's all we've got for today. There's not much else to say about this one. I think this one is definitely smashes the box. This one definitely smashes the box. Let us know down in the comments below what you think about it. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Share the video with your friends. We'll be back again soon with another fragrance video list, unboxing, all that great stuff. We'll see you guys next time. I'm out of here. Peace.